Hello, my name is Gwen Allen. I am a systems consultant for the Dell Software Group. Welcome to this short video on how to back up data using Dell Administrator for Office 365. After launching the program, connect to the SharePoint Site Collection site or OneDrive that you want to back up. In this example, we will be backing up an Office 365 SharePoint site collection called NA Presales. To get to the backup options, you can either select it from the Backup tab on the ribbon, or you can right-click the site or site collection or OneDrive and select Create Backup. Both options get you to the same point. The first thing that you're going to want to do is enter a meaningful project name. In our case, I'm going to use O365 NA Presales Backup. The location is pre-selected for you by default, but you can change that by selecting the ellipses. Also, SharePoint Site is pre-selected, but if this is a OneDrive for Business, you can select OneDrive for Business. And this is the path or URL to the site collection or site. Next, you want to look at your backup options and select those things that you would want to be included as part of your backup. In our example, I'm going to include the subsites, my permissions, the views. I'm going to take all of the versions, but I could limit those versions. And I'm not going to delete it from the source because this is just a backup, and I won't be applying a filter. At this point, you can also select the retention policy and decide how long do you want to keep your full and any incremental backups. Additionally, you will find the ability to do generate a script. Now what this is this is the command line syntax that you can enter to do this backup from a command line. You can place this in a batch file, or you can include it as part of a PowerShell script and execute this backup outside the application. You can also schedule your backup to run either one time only, daily, weekly, or monthly, and you can also set the time that it runs so that it's convenient for you. Next, to kick off the backup, we're going to select Finish. You will see in the right-hand corner that the backup starts, the job is created, and the backup starts. Once the job completes, a log is displayed in case of any errors, and your job will be displayed in the Backup Navigator pane on the right-hand side. You can click OK at this point, and then you have access to your backup job where you can actually go in and look at your files, restore files, and any other activities. You can also right-click the backup and click Update to update the backup, say at a subsequent time. Here you'll have access to do a full update, an incremental backup, differential, or a custom filter. And you can also change your retention policy. Again, you'll be presented with those same options to generate a script and also do a schedule. That concludes our video on how to back up data using Dell Administrator for Office 365.